Coach, medyo durog kayo today.
We treat it as one game. Of course, we played really bad. Mabuti na ipanalo namin yung game 1. So, hindi naman quotient itong labanan na to. But we really played bad. But I think the more important thing for us is yung condition ni Aaron. Because that will be important for us moving forward. We actually look at the video. Kasi nung nakausap namin si Aaron, sabi niya, pumasok daw talaga yung daliri ni Ian sa loob ng mata niya. And up to the time that dinadala siya sa hospital, hindi siya makakita on his left eye. And we watch the video, and ang tingin ko sinadya. Tingin ko sinadya na maisahan nga siya, walang kami ng import. It needs a further investigation. But we all look at the video, and yung direction ng kamay pag-ganun. Pag-ganun, hindi man yung so, talagang yung pasok ng kamay mo, madiretso sa mata. And it was second motion siya. Na parang extra motion talaga siya. Makikita mo, hindi siya natural na gagawin yung blue ng mata yung tao. So, let's see ano yung ng PBA. But I think moving forward, that's the more important development. We have to play without an import. Mahirap naman talaga ng import ng pabilis. We only have tomorrow. But we still want to see that. I hope he's okay. But kanina, sinecheck namin siya sa hospital, hindi na rin siya nakakasin. And it's gonna be a tragedy.
Coach, may gusto ko ang hospital din nila sa iyo.
Hindi ko alam eh, yung trainer namin siguro.
Pero naramagana kanina
Naramdaman daw niya pumasok yung daliri sa loob ng mata niya. Hindi yung nagasgas lang eh, hindi yung nakalumot lang eh. Pumasok talaga yung daliri. So, pati yung angle ng pagpasok ng mata talaga. Hindi yung nakataw ko lang. I think that's bad. Para sa inyo.
But how is this huge loss affect yung moral natin going to?
I don't think so. No, it's one game. No, we can regroup. No, we can just put together siguro something na makita namin na maraming pagkakamali sa lalo natin. Pero yun nga, malaking bagay, wala kang import. Pero tingin ko, kahit nandun si Aaron, matatalo pa rin kami, pero hindi naman siguro ganun kalaki. Saka importante, I think it took a toll also on the moral ng mga players na nakita nila na ganun yung nangyari sa kanya. It could be career threatening.
Thank you, Coach.
Sige,
Coach. Thank you, Coach.